it just tells us to go ahead and put the wire in. So let's do it, guys. Let's put the wire in. All right, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're having some technical difficulties, but I think we got it tuned in. So, all right, let's go ahead and do this quick test. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put a tack. I think we got it tuned in pretty well. The other side, ready? This is the titanium spool gun. Take one. That's what the weld looked like. You gotta brush it off real quick. Woo. Hot. That's what the weld looks like. It's a little too flat. I'm gonna try to drag it next time. I don't know if you guys can get a good look at it. There you go. Now we're gonna try to 1/4 inch while that cools off. Look at the penetration on that. I probably got it up a little too high. But we're good. We're good. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Now we got our 1/4 inch. We're gonna jack it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and do some welds. We're gonna do a bend test on it. Got 1/4 inch. You want to preheat it? Put a torch. Should be good. All right, let's get to it, guys. We'll put this pusher stopper here. Got it up. Let's see what we can get. Okay, one thing I can see is too much spit and sputter, so we're going to turn on the wire. We're going to flip it over. It's probably good, nice and hot and preheated from the previous weld like we did with the other one. And we're going to try it again. So we did a push and step back, and yes, it looks kind of funny right now. So we're gonna go ahead and wire brush it off and see how good. Now with this machine, I thought I was doing something wrong, but it looks black because I think that's the way it looks until you brush it off. And there you go. That's what the weld looks like. With the Titan. Could have done a little bit better with the preheat. But it's smoking, literally. So we're gonna do a bend test. Be right back. Alright y'all, we're back again with the bend test. We're gonna do a root bend on this one. I was gonna do that on the other one, but I forgot to. I set my spool gun because I gotta treat it like gold. Remember, treat it like gold so it won't break. So we're gonna do a root bend on it. We're gonna bring this thing down. We're gonna do a root bend on it. All right, you ready? All right, so we're gonna let it up. No cracks.
Don't worry, Marcus. You like that too.
It did pretty well. Did pretty well. Did pretty well on that one. I think that was a bad one. That was a test. It did have a little crack in it, but I mean, what you gonna do? So we're gonna try this one. We're gonna bend this one the opposite way this time. We're gonna be able to bend the face. We're gonna bend the face. Gonna put that right there. Alright. Alright guys, again, on the face. Okay, let's see, focus. Woo, hot, hot. So, let's see if we can't get a clear picture of it. So on the face, no cracks. This is the 1/4 inch root, or yeah, I mean, well, there you go. This is the 1/4 inch weld on 1/4 inch aluminum, no cracks or whatever on the face. And we actually broke the material before it even cracked, see? Broke the material. But yeah, so I'll say that was a pass on our end. So get either one of these machines, and once you learn how to set it up and weld with it, let's switch camera modes. Alright. Alright y'all, so thank you guys for watching. This was the welding machine with the Titan and the longevity MIG. So pretty much what it depends on, guys, is you just gotta learn how to set up the machine. Once you learn how to set up the machine, then you're good. Both machines are excellent with 1/4 inch if you preheat. If you preheat it, it works great. Again, with the Titan or titanium, I gotta do some more adjusting to it because it's something new to me that this is my first one of those. So it's a new machine, so you know you gotta get used to it. But the longevity MIG titanium is a great machine if you guys want to in the market for it. I know for that welder brand new it's like $839, and the spool gun's like $169. So you're looking at probably roughly about $1,000 with the spool gun and the welder. If you get the longevity MiG 140, you looking at $700. So there's a $300 difference. To each his own. I use them both. I have them both. So, you know. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. If you can hit that notification bell for every time I post. And all you guys that are not subscribed to the channel, all it takes is one click. You click that subscribe button. You click that like, the thumbs up, the notification bell for every time I post. For all my returning subscribers, I much appreciate everything that you guys are viewing my videos and liking my videos and even commenting on my videos. I thank you guys a lot because I try to put a lot of effort behind the videos for you guys and try to make quality videos. But yes, you guys that are 97% or 95% of viewers that are not subscribed, go now. Right there. It's right there. That's all you gotta do is you gotta press it. Just like that. You gotta press it. Just press that button. That's all it takes. You're 95% of my viewers. Just press the button down below. Leave a like, thumbs up, hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. It's like right there. You can't miss it. It's right there. I know you guys see it. Come on, it's like right there. Or it pops up at the end of this video. But alright guys, I appreciate it. Much love for everybody that's been subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys. It's been a Welding Machine. You guys have a great night. And this is another Canon G7X Mark III video for you guys. Higher quality for my viewers. This has been the Welding Machine. You guys have a great and blessed day. Peace.